Yeah. Listen. I am very pissed off right now. Hearing a lot of Jamaican in Jamaica talking about they don't want a foreigner out here. And they don't want a foreigner in their house. And about a foreigner a carry corona come to Jamaica come give them. Let me tell you something. You don't shut up my mouth because you don't know what I talk to. You don't shut up and go away. You will not know if you go away. Because you see when corona over and when someone want a foreigner to come on the yard, I hope the foreigner them don't come on the yard. And when you want to go to Western Union or call foreigner friend for beg no money, none of them not to send no money for where they can give no out there because no ungrateful. No foreigner no bring corona come to Jamaica come go, no Chinese go no corona. And the Chinese want to have pack up in our country and Chinese are send all things come to Jamaica come go no. I sell no all kind of things out here. I carry corona come go no. But now come talk about say foreigner from New York and England and Canada carry corona come out here come go no. No go away. No go away. No go away. And take no mouth off a foreigner because you can't live like we. You can't live like foreigners, so I don't know what you come up in the mouth and come talk about. When you see them out of Jamaica criticize foreigner, come talk about say foreigner carry corona, come take over Jamaica. Foreigner now carry corona, come take over Jamaica. You there Jamaica, you can't speak foreign language no way. With Uno come run off on the mouth and come talk about foreigner carry corona come to Jamaica. And the blood clot Chinese, them wanna forgot talk to we create corona and carry come to Jamaica, come destroy Jamaica. And Uno out when I follow social distance. Uno na follow social distance, uno na wear mask, uno na wash no hand, and uno na do nothing right out there, uno pack up like a sardine in a heavy store uno go. Uno na follow nothing where government say. And uno na come talk about no foreigner, uno na want foreigner Jamaica. Me see one video out there where if two foreign people them turn up a roadside with them suitcase and the whole uno turn up on the people them. I can tell the people them say them to go back a foreign because nobody no want them in their house out there. I hope on no blood clot corona over out here. Foreign people who no say no money come out here come get the drunk for them. Make them dead for hungry out here. Because them too disrespectful and come talk about foreigner care corona come out and run out the foreign people. Make foreign people can't go nowhere Jamaica right now and go talk nowhere out there. Them a violate the foreigner them out here bad. So me a make you know anybody call on a foreigner and come talk about them want money. Tell them to kiss on the fucking ass. Tell them, say, the kiss on the ass, and don't give them no money at Jamaica. No send no money, come out here, come give no Jamaican, no Western Union. Because them out here criticize top, but they don't want to foreigner out here. And I treat the people, man, I throw the people, them foreign people, them pan road out here. Like how the Chinese, them throw the African, them over China. And that them out of Jamaica do right now. Foreigner can't go nowhere out of Jamaica right now and talk out of them mouth or say nothing. A be a disrespect a go on right now out here. So anytime corona over in Jamaica, you remember me tell you say no say no money come out here come get nobody at Jamaica make a pussy all them dead for hungry out here. Because I know New York carry corona come here or England or Canada alone carry a Chinese creative and spread it all over the place and a kill off people. And you look at dirty Jamaica and them sit down out there come disrespect foreigner Canada, New York and England and I go criticize, I go talk about say them. Bring corona come out and they don't want no foreigner out here. Me see a video. The reason why I make a video because I see a video out there where the two people them turn up a roadside with their luggage. Where their family turn them out on the road and the whole of people them take video the people them and disgrace the people them say a foreigner no plane now fly come here. Where they get plane come here from? And this is gone too. Look, some of them dirty drunk no live nowhere out here and some of them live on a fall cuba and ag pen. And look how much money foreigners send come out here come build up Jamaica and make some of them can live somewhere. And them a turn around and come classify foreigner come talk about foreigner they don't want no foreigner out of Jamaica. Wait until corona over and they pussy them for dead for hungry out them. I tell you no make them dead for hungry at Jamaica. You don't say no money come out here come give them. Because they have no respect. They have no respect for foreigner out here again. They talk about no if you come here, no if you come at their yard. Look past some of them. The people them now we no mask out there. Them now follow social distance. Them still a party. They still get up everywhere, drink and smoke same way. And when the pussy all them catch corona, them a blame foreigner. Then if you dead out here, I want to spread and share the life of me make you drunk with them hear me. Them favor, you don't know me hate some of them.